Recently, a procurement news from the Ministry of Defense of Ukraine shocked the global drone market. According to Ukrainian media reports, the Ministry of Defense of Ukraine plans to spend 3 billion hryvnia to publicly purchase up to 20,000 drones through an electronic bidding platform. What's even more remarkable is that the vast majority of these drones are actually products of the Chinese company DJI, including 15,000 Mavic 3 models and 5,000 Mavic 3 thermal models with infrared visibility. This news undoubtedly caused an uproar in the field of drones around the world. As we all know, DJI drones have already won a high reputation in the civilian market for their excellent performance and high-cost performance. However, as the conflict between Russia and Ukraine continues, these drones, which were originally used to shoot beautiful scenery and record life, have been transformed into lethal weapons on the battlefield by Russia and Ukraine to carry out reconnaissance, surveillance, and strike missions. Faced with this situation, DJI Drone took decisive action. Since April 2022, DJI has announced that it will stop selling drones in Russia and Ukraine to avoid its products being used for military purposes. However, this did not completely stop the emergence of DJI drones on the battlefield. There are even people on the Ukrainian side who specially design and manufacture kits for drones to attach weapons, so that these drones can carry bombs or artillery shells to attack. Now, the move of the Ukrainian Ministry of Defense to publicly purchase DJI drones is undoubtedly a blatant challenge to DJI's ban on sales. Although there are doubts about whether the deal will eventually be concluded, the actions of the Ukrainian side have already attracted widespread attention from the international community. It is worth noting that although there are also many civilian drone companies in Europe and the United States, their products are not often seen on the Russian-Ukrainian battlefield. This is mainly because DJI drones far surpass these brands in terms of performance, and are leading the industry in terms of flight stability, handling, and image transmission quality. This makes DJI drones the preferred target for both Russia and Ukraine. However, it is clearly unfair to blame the killer weapon on the drone itself. A drone is just a tool, and it is the operator who really determines its purpose. On the battlefield, drones can be used to perform a variety of tasks, including reconnaissance, surveillance, strikes, etc. But equally, they can also be used for peaceful purposes such as rescue and transportation. Therefore, we should not simply think of drones as killing machines, but should pay more attention to how to regulate their use and management. In addition, with the continuous development of science and technology, drone technology will also continue to improve and improve. In the future, drones may play an important role in more fields, including environmental protection, agriculture, transportation, etc. Therefore, we should look at drone technology with a more open and inclusive mind, and actively promote its healthy and orderly development. Returning to the purchase of DJI drones by Ukraine itself, we can't help but ask, can this deal be closed in the end? And if so, what impact will it have on the situation of the Russia-Ukraine war? These questions need to be further observed and verified. But in any case, this incident reminds us once again that in today's increasingly advanced science and technology, how to correctly and rationally use new technologies has become a major challenge in front of us.